Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In this video, we are going to see types of access specifier in Java. That is the scope of variable classes and methods. On the screen, you can see there are four types of access specifier in Java. First one, public, private, protected and default. Let's go with first one, that is public. Public member can be accessed by other classes even outside the current package. That is, when we declare member, that is variable and methods as a public, then we can access it outside the class, that is from other class or from that package or outside the package. Let's see with the example. For that, start STS, then create one Java project, click on file, then new, and create one Java project. Give name access specifier. Click on finish. Our project is created. Expand project and create one Java file under source folder by right click on source folder. Create one Java class. Give name access, or we can start with first, that is public access specifier. Click on finish. Then in the class we will declare one public variable, that is syntax is access specifier. Then data type, I am declaring one string variable and variable name. Assign value to it, that is hello public. You can give any value, then save the file. Then here you can see the class is public, means it is accessible for all other classes. In that I have created one public variable. Inside that हम एक public method create करेंगे. That is syntax is public. Then return type I am giving void and method name is public method. Then I am just printing the message that is inside public, or calling, called public method. Saving the file. Then I want to access it from other class. For that I am creating one class inside the same package, new and class. Here I am giving the name access specifier or access class. Then click on finish. Then in this class we are going to access the variable and print it. Therefore it is our main class from where the execution is start. So we need main method in that. So write main method. Then for the accessing variable we needed to create the object of that class. So from public access specifier class we are going to access the variable. For that, just create object of the class is equals to new, then public access specifier, give semicolon, and then by using the object dot here var, then just print it. With the help of system.out.println, save, and then just add message for understanding, that is public variable. Similar, we are going to access the public method by using the object dot calling of the method is public method. Save the file and run the program by right click on project, run as Java application. Here you can see our variable and method is called or accessed. This is the public access specifier. Then second one is private. What is the private access specifier? The private access specifier restricts access to the class members within the same class where they are defined. Means the member of the class we declared as private, we can't access it outside the class. Let's see with example. For that, just creating one class as private access specifier. Finish, then data type, and then variable name, and just hello private, giving the value of the variable hello private, give semicolon, and similar creating one private method, printing one message, save the file, and just similar way access outside the class, that is from other class. We are going to just create a object of private access specifier class, and access in the similar way dot, where here you can see it is not showing the variable 2 cause this is the private, that is we needed to change their scope. When we declare as private, then it can't visible outside the class. Okay, similar for method, you can see similar for the method. Here you can see the method is also not showing and the variable is also not showing. But when we try to access it from the same class, then here we need to declare main method for printing or calling the function. Then similar way, just create private access specifier object, then just call the method and variable. Not here you can see the value are visible. एंड जैसे कि हमने दूसरे क्लास में देखा था, वहाँ पर हमको वेरिएबल्स के नाम एंड मेथड के नाम भी शो नहीं हो रहे थे। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर हम प्रिंट कर सकते, दैट इज एक्सेस कर सकते हैं उस वेरिएबल को एंड मेथड्स को। जस्ट प्रिंटिंग इट। तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि पब्लिक एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर में क्या होता है, हम आउटसाइड द क्लास एंड आउटसाइड द पैकेज उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं उस क्लास के मेंबर्स को। बट व्हेन वी आर declaring the string or that is member as a private, then we can't access it outside the class. Here you can see from the class we can access it. So this is a private access specifier. Then just move on to third access specifier, that is protected. The protected access specifier allows access to the class members within the same class, subclasses or derived classes and other classes in the same package. Mainly जब हम किसी क्लास में कुछ मेंबर को प्रोटेक्टेड डिक्लेयर करते हैं, तब हम उसको विद इन अ क्लास एक्सेस कर सकते हैं एंड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसको डिराइव क्लासेस में एक्सेस कर सकते हैं विद इन द सेम पैकेज के बाहर हम उसको एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते हैं। लेट्स सी विथ एग्जांपल। क्रिएट वन फाइल विथ नेम protected access specifier. Click on finish. Just create one variable, that is protected string, and variable name, that is var3 is equals to hello protected. Then similar way, creating one method with protected scope with name protected method. Just adding one message, that is call protected method. सेव द फाइल एंड हम ट्राई करेंगे दूसरे क्लास से एक्सेस करने। फॉर दैट क्रिएट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दैट इज प्रोटेक्टेड एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर। By using the object, we just access it. Okay, here you can see when we declare the object of the class, that is we are going to derive the class in this class, so it is accessible. Here in the same way, dot protected method, we're going to just print it. Protected variable. Save the file and just run it. Here you can see it is accessible only when we create the object of that. If we just create one package and let's see it is accessible outside the package or not. That is new, click on new and then package, other. Yeah, just I'm giving the name other and save it. Within that create one file, Java class, other package, click on finish. In that file, just derive the protected class. Here you can see the class is also not accessible outside the package. Okay, just write main method, then try. Here you can see it is not accessible outside the package. Okay, then I hope you understand that it is only accessible within the same class. Okay, same way, just create the object of protected class, sorry, protected access specifier, then new, and in the same way you can print it. Yeah, you can print the variable with the help of SOP. Just run the class. Here you can see the output. Means the protected is also only accessible within the class, but only when accessible in other class when we derived it. It is not accessible outside the package. The last one is default. The default access specifier is also known as package private or package level access specifier. It is used when no access specifier is explicitly defined. Okay, just see with example for better understanding. That is when we not declare any variable as public, private and protected, then it assume as a default. Same for the method, same for the class. When we not declare any variable or method as a specific specifier, then it defined as a default access specifier, and default access specifier is access within the class, outside the class, and from outside the package as well, and within the same package. So you can try that out one program for the default access specifier. I hope you understand the types of access specifier or the scope of the variable classes and methods in Java. If you have any doubt regarding the point, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. For such videos, do subscribe to our channel.